Save the date. Harvest time is drawing near. Harvest 2018 will take place from Wednesday, October 17th through Sunday, October 21st with these dynamic women of God. Elder Adrian Height Neal of Christ Church International.
Some of you are saying to yourself, how in the world did things get so bad? Why does it seem like the enemy is just running wild in my home? But this is the season where your attitude and your frame of mind has to be, devil, I don't know where you're going, but I sure as heck know where you're not staying. You're getting up out of my house. You're getting up out of my life. You're getting up out of my mind. I know I'm talking to someone in here. You're coming out of my church. You are taking your nasty, stinking hands off of everything that God has given to me.
Prophetess Jasmine Georges of Community Christian Center.
Your desert place is not a wasted place, even if you stayed there too long, because in the hands of God, even your detours, even the divorce, even the abortion, even the time you served in prison, oh come on here, even irrespective of that scandal, the affair, the time that you were dibbling and dabbling in homosexuality, oh come on here, I just know that I'm speaking the word of God, that even those detours can be utilized in the hands of a mighty God.
Apostle Lilia Bain of Triumphant Full Gospel Assembly.
Then you go to Exodus chapter 14, verses 13 and 14, where Moses made a declaration unto the people of God. And he said, fear ye not, stand still, see the salvation of the Lord, which he will show to you today. Look at your neighbor and tell them, for the Egyptians that you see now, the enemies that you see now, those that have been plaguing you, those that have been backing you up in the corner, those issues that you have struggled with, those things that seem to want to come against you. Every time you get through over here, something else come up over there. And every time you fix what's over here, something else come up over here. And every time you feel like you have now conquered, something else is at your heels. But God still declares, fear not.
And our very own Overseer Aurelia Jamont.
This time around, we're not going to allow ourselves to lose it. This time around, we are going to recover and keep it. This time around, the things that we lost, that we never thought we would recover, God is going to open that door. God is going to cause it to surface to the top. It's going to come back. And like Job, God is going to give us double for all of our trouble.
Evening services begin at 7:30 p.m. Sunday morning worship begins at 11 a.m. For morning worship, come dressed in fire colors of orange, yellow, and red. As we prepare our hearts for these 4 services, we will come together for a time of prayer Tuesday, October 9th through Friday, October 12th. NCF, a church pursuing excellence.